I'm here with two incredibly senior and important people in our school today, Iman and Nic, and it's a bit of an emotional time for them. So emotional that they're wearing crazy socks today. Iman, why is it emotional today for you and this week?
Well, today is the last day of lessons officially for all of us. It's quite sad. I mean, it's my 15th year at Scotch, so it's a bit emotional saying goodbye to all the teachers and everything. And then we've got Friday, final assembly, kind of the last time we're going to be around our whole year level. I mean, we've got a lot planned for the rest of the week with the cohort, which will be really nice, but apart from that, it's kind of the last time we're going to be all together.
You're a very sort of united year group, you all get on really well, and so you're going to see each other beyond school and for the next few years to come?
Definitely. I mean, the girls and I have already been talking about catching up monthly. I mean, a lot of us are planning on going interstate or whatever, but we're hoping to keep the catch-ups regular and hopefully keep that going with the boys as well, because we all are pretty tightly knit. Marvellous.
We had 50% of the 50-year reunion come back last Friday night. That was an amazing event, because these guys never really want to leave this school, which is lovely. Nic, has it been a good journey for you?
Yeah, no, it's been a different and good journey. I mean, coming from the country, it's a lot quieter, a lot of different life, and you come up here and it definitely helps you.
Absolutely. Your dad was here too, as a student, and he had a great journey here. Yeah. How has the boarding life been particularly been for you, the time that you spent here?
So boarding at the start for me, I was quite a shy, kind of sheltered child. But yeah, boarding really exposed me to the whole city, and yeah, I've definitely become more open-minded as well as confident in myself through boarding.
And you've become the head of boarding this year, the boy captain of boarding, which is great. And Iman, you've been the female head captain of sport, two significant responsibilities. Have you grown through those experiences too? Do you feel they've helped you?
Definitely.
Tell me about it, Iman.
I mean, I've had to get up in assemblies and talk in front of the whole school. Definitely something I wasn't very confident in when I was younger, especially the junior school. But working alongside Kiddo as well, we've been a really good pair, and he's brought me out of my shell a lot.
Fantastic, and we've had a great year for sport. Well done. Do you feel that the boarding has really helped your academic performance? You're facing exams, swap back starts on Friday. That's a serious business on Friday. How has it helped you academically?
So boarding, the tutors in the boarding house 24/7 almost. And so if you need help with any work like proofing or anything like that, they're there to kind of help you and make sure that you can do the best of your abilities with schoolwork, and it's definitely helped me.
Great, and we have a number of students who come into boarding to get that short hit sometimes even a longer term hit to support their academic routines and disciplines, and you clearly have the tutoring around you with the expertise to help you with homework, set homework times. That discipline is really helpful. I'm really grateful to these two wonderful young people. One of the great joys of education is seeing young people become adults and go into the world and do great things. We shall miss you. We hope it's a great week. We hope you'll keep together as a year group, and this will be a wonderful memory forever.